Hey everyone! Welcome to today's quick micro-learning session where I'm going to drop some juicy knowledge about lemons. Yep, those zesty little fruits you probably have sitting in your fridge right now. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at a lemon the same way again. First off, did you know that lemons have a rich history? They originated in Asia and were first cultivated around 2,500 years ago in regions like Assam, northern Burma and China. So every time you squeeze a lemon, you're actually holding a piece of ancient history. Now, lemons are not just for making lemonade. They are a powerhouse of vitamin C. In fact, one lemon provides about 31 milligrams of this essential vitamin, which is half of your daily recommended intake. That means adding a little lemon juice to your water can really boost your immune system and keep those pesky colds at bay. But wait, there's more. Lemons are fantastic for your skin. Their natural acidity helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and brighten your complexion. Just mix some lemon juice with a bit of honey and you've got yourself a natural face mask. Feeling stressed? The aroma of lemons has been shown to reduce anxiety and depression. Just cut a lemon in half and leave it in your room. The scent can make a big difference in your mood. Oh, and here's a fun hack. If you've got some stubborn stains on your clothes, lemon juice can be a lifesaver. Just apply it to the stain, let it sit for a bit, and then wash it off. The natural bleaching properties of lemons can help get rid of those tough spots. And let's not forget about cooking. Adding a splash of lemon juice can elevate your dishes to a whole new level. It brings a fresh, zesty flavor that can enhance everything from salads to seafood. But always remember to roll your lemon before cutting it. This helps to release the juices more evenly. Just place it on the counter and give it a good roll with your palm. Lastly, lemons can also help with cleaning. Their acidity makes them great for disinfecting surfaces. Mix lemon juice with some baking soda and you've got a powerful, natural cleaner. All right, that's it for today's micro-learning session on lemons. I hope you learned something new and can start using these hacks in your everyday life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.